Angel One just delivered its best quarter in 2 years. Profit after tax up 83%, and the stock is knocking on the door of a multi-year breakout. Here's everything you need to know. So, what does Angel One do? In simple terms, it's the app millions of Indians use to trade stocks, buy mutual funds, take loans against shares, and now even buy insurance. It's evolving from just a broker into a full financial super app. Now, here's the story of the last 2 years in 30 seconds. In 2024, SEBI cracked down hard on FNO trading. Angel One's broking revenue was 85% dependent on that FNO business. So the stocks got crushed. From 390, it fell all the way to 200, nearly a 50% crash. But then something changed. Management did what companies do. They pivoted. They built out wealth management, credit, insurance, mutual fund distribution. They launched Ask Angel AI. And most importantly, they kept adding clients at an insane pace. 37 million clients now, up 20% in just 1 year. And the quarter 4 FY26 numbers just out, profit after tax of 320 crores, up 83% from year on year. Revenue was also very high, up 38%. It also has really good EBITDA margins of around 37%. Apart from this, it also has really good liquidity ratios and a debt to equity ratio. Its debt to equity is below 1 and a very good interest coverage ratio. And these are the ideal liquidity ratios almost. So we can say that the company is doing very well financially and debt wise. Now, coming to the technicals, you can see here that it is going in sort of a range bound movement. As you can see here, its all-time high was almost around 390 or 400 levels. From there, it has fell all the way down till 200 levels, and then it has been moving within this range for the past 2 years or so. So, how would you want to execute and enter into this trade? From here, we can see that if you think that the stock will break out, it is still too risky to buy at that price point. Because as you can see here, there has been a false breakout. So the stock has to overcome this price level and still keep building momentum and move upwards. But then it faces another challenge. At its all-time high, around 380, 390 levels, there's another very strong resistance level there. So it's too risky to enter into this trade thinking that it will break out. So here's my opinion of what I think will happen. As you can see here, these are the demand zones over here, signified by these high volume regions for buying the stock over here. And as you can see here, these are the key supply zones, symbolized by these red candle regions and the high volume over there as well, where they sell the stocks. So as you can see here, I am taking the support to be around 210 levels or 212 levels, and the resistance to be around 329 levels, which is lower than the previous false breakout. So how would I want to execute this trade? Now, what I'm thinking will happen is a pullback might happen. It may either move to this stage and then either break out, but even then, it's very risky to buy at that price point. So, what I am betting on is that the stock will do a pullback and come to around these levels, which is the other more closer demand zone. So, what I want to do is I can execute this trade by doing a GTT buy order over here. So go to GTT, right click on single, buy, and then you can buy it at this price point around 240 levels. So let me just do that, and you can create how many ever quantities which you want. So create GTT, and in this similar fashion, you can also set a stop loss and a trigger price. So as I explained, I don't think that it will break out from here, and even if it does, it might still have to face this other resistance over here. So what I'm thinking will happen is it might at least come to 324 regions. So I will set a target price and a stop loss according to that. So I will set the stop loss around here at around 200 levels. So go to sell, click on one, cancels the other, and select the stop loss. So as I said, I will set it at around 200 levels. So let me just quickly do that. And the trigger price, I'm expecting it to be around 324 levels or 326 levels. So let me just do that as well. 326. Do it for the this side as well. And there you have it. Click on execute and you have your GTT order. In this way, you don't have to chase the price of the stock and your trade automatically executes at the price point whenever the stock price comes to that level. If you like the video, please follow for more such tips. And please keep in mind this isn't financial advice. And please do your own research and analysis and trade with precaution. Thank you.